Awesome. Moving forward to the rear cargo space as well as the power liftgate. So it does have a power liftgate. Simply press the button. It will pop open for you. At any time, if you want to stop it, simply press the button again and it will stop midway through its process, which is then you can manually lift up and down whichever way that you need to. If you press and hold this button right here, what it will do is it will automatically set whatever height you want it lifted to. So if you don't want the hatchback to lift up past a certain height, simply set that and it will continue to be at whatever height you have it set at when you press the button. Moving forward into the actual rear cargo here, you will notice underneath the cargo is where your Bose audio system, your Bose subwoofer is, as well as you have your temporary spare tire, and all of your tools are lined up around the outside of it. Simply use your wrench to be able to take off that bolt. This whole Bose system lifts right out, and then you can get access to the tire on its rim. Finally, it does come with a private screen in the rear hatch. Simply to remove the private screen, unclip the top two ropes there, and simply push up. Simply push up, and it will pop out there for you. Then you can remove it so you have a little bit of extra cargo space. While I have the cargo cover removed, I will show you. So to fold down the seats, simply press on the button at the top shoulder of both of the headrests, and it will fold down for yourself as well.